Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we will discuss about the DNB expected cutoff idea for NEET PG 2025. Many candidates have requested, I had posted earlier, the expected marks or rank required to get admission into government medical colleges for different branches. Now, in case you don't get the admission or you uh, able to get few lesser score or rank is not that good to get the admission into government colleges in a particular branch, then you can target DNB institutes. In the DNB also there are private and government institute. Although the tuition fee is fee, but the exposure and learning opportunity is different. In case you are new here, please do subscribe this channel. We will also tell you marks versus rank mapping as per the last year, two different shifts. Okay, and in case you are interested, you can avail our packages. You can join our WhatsApp group. You can find the link in the description of the video. We are also providing the counseling guidance for SS, INI-CET, NEET MDS and UG from different channels. So in the description of the video, you can find the details about all those channels and the WhatsApp groups. You can, in case you are interested just to know, for different colleges, depending on the different quota, branches and the categories, how was the closing rank college wise and the fee, stipend, bond details. Okay, in case you want to predict the colleges, in case you are assuming that you are getting particular score, and in that score you can assume particular rank as per this mapping. Depending on the paper difficulty level, the marks versus rank mapping will change. But in case you want to keep some kind of benchmark, you can assume the last year rank versus marks mapping details, which will give you some idea. Then you can go on to this portal, do register, and then you can check all the closing ranks, seat matrix, allotment, fee, stipend, bond, eligibility rules. You will be able to predict the colleges, clinical load details like OPD, IPD, departmental bed capacity, and choice filling also. Then the counseling starts. Okay, let's talk about how was the marks versus rank mapping last year in NEET PG 2024. The examination happened in two shifts. Okay, so I have given the score, I have taken the rank, and for the particular rank how much marks was required for different shifts. Okay, depending on the difficulty level it is different, and how much is the rounded score you can assume required to achieve particular rank. Suppose you take this example, you want radio diagnosis. So general category went up to 10,793 up to fourth round. This all cutoff each inclusive up to fourth round. Okay, but for radio diagnosis, just one college went up to this rank in the fourth round. Round average around 4,500. So 4,500, how much score you require? 4,600 and 5,590. Roughly 595 score you should be requiring. So if you are consistently able to score 600 plus, that means you can target DNB radio diagnosis. So that's how this calculation will work for you. You can check out the last year closing rank up to fourth round. Okay, and accordingly you can check the score required. You can take the reference of rounded marks. Suppose you are expecting around 50,000 rank, then your score should be around 430. In case you are expecting to just get qualified around, last year the qualifying score was 293 in the shift 2 and 307 in the shift 1. Okay, so if you are getting around 300 score, 315, then you assume that you will get qualified in the first qualifying list. In case you are expecting rank up to 20,000, then how much you should score? Your score should be around 520 to 525 consistently. If your GT score is having like so much gap in between and it's not consistent and smooth, the graph is not that smooth, then you have to work upon all the weaknesses. Sometimes candidates will do over attempt, that results into so much of negative marking. So ultimately if you are lagging by 15 to 20 marks due to over attempting, okay, so you need to uh, put a control on those things, okay. And the real time examination would be section wise. In particular section you would have limited number of question and the time also. So you have to make sure that how you attempt the paper should be the very much appropriate way to attempt. Many candidates could not score good in the INI-CET examination, okay. So they must be knowing like in the real time how the score is getting changed from the GTs, okay. Same thing will occur in the NEET PG, so before the time you can correct all your mistakes. Coming to the cutoff, so you can take the screenshot. In case you go for the medicine, DNB medicine, you can achieve, see this is the last closing rank, so you take the average around 15,000, 14,000 should be the safe score, safe rank. And for 50,000 you can get the score here. You need to have around 540 to 535. Similarly for DNB OBGY 24,000, for general category it went up to 24,000. Even you have like around 22,000 or 20,000, you should be okay. So you can take the expected score, you should target around 510, okay. So this is the cutoff for different branches, and 6 years 6 years integrated course like cardiothoracic CTBS, then pediatric surgery, and you have plastic surgery, neurosurgery, okay. Wherever this is blank in those categories, the seats were not available for particular branches, okay. Whether it's government or private DNB, the fee is gonna be same, that is just 1.25 lakhs, and you would be getting much more stipend than the fee in some of the institutes, okay. So that's how is the distribution. You can take the screenshot, or if you join the group, I'll post this mapping over there, and this cutoff also over there, you can find it over there, okay. Those who are interested to take our packages, they can take it from now. These are the basic details which will be available in the 3000 package, and if you want for choice filling and for the guidance, you can avail it from here. So that's all from my side. Okay, one more topic that was there in the thumbnail, hearing on 2 shift examination issues. So see, finally the date is confirmed on 30th of May. They are going to hear this matter. It was requested to listen to the plea on urgent basis, because on 2nd of June we are expecting the examination center to be disclosed, okay. Once it's done, it will be more difficult for Supreme Court to convince government that you should be reverting your decision to conduct the examination in 2 shifts. But if you ask me, it is very less probable that government will be asked by Supreme Court to reverse the decision of conducting examination in 2 shifts, because it's already too late. And we have seen how the Supreme Court has given the decision for the court cases which is against government of India. In the previous hearing, where there was a direction issued by Supreme Court in regard with the blocking of seat in the matter of different case, they have given kind of like very clear direction to release the answer key, raw score, and the normalization process formula. So if they are giving so much clarification on the process, or giving some kind of justification that normalization process is a good process, and they should add some kind of transparency, so that the candidates wouldn't doubt what is credibility, then it is difficult for the Supreme Court also to give the decision against their previous support about normalization, okay. So they will again say similar thing like, okay, it should be more transparent, so nobody is in the doubt that okay, something happened behind the scene. So just keep on with your preparation, because now reverting the examination and changing the schedule will be a difficult task for the government. Okay, that's all for my side. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.